Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best carpet cleaners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Hoover Carpet Cleaner. It helps extend the life of your carpet with the Hoover Carpet Basics Power Scrub Deluxe. It is designed to clean many carpeted and fabric surfaces in and around your home. You can make cleaning a breeze with spill-free tanks that are easy to access, easy to fill, empty and clean. The spin scrub brushes powerfully removes deep embedded dirt and stains with 360-degree brushes and strong suction while being gentle on your carpet. At number 4 we have BISSELL Carpet Cleaner. Not every pet mess calls for a full-size carpet cleaning machine. You can use BISSELL Little Green portable upholstery and carpet cleaner to spray, scrub and lift away those smaller messes like dirt and stains from all types of surfaces. It has powerful suction to easily remove dirty paw prints from carpets and stairs, plus it works on car interiors too. At number 3 we have Wagner Carpet Cleaner. The Wagner 915E Power Steamer is a multi-purpose steamer that uses nothing but chemical-free steam to remove wallpaper and clean countless household surfaces without using chemicals. You can use the 18 included nozzles and accessories to loosen and dissolve grease and grime on kitchen countertops, grout appliances, toilets, showers, flooring, sinks and much more. You can also use the steamer outdoors to clean grills, outdoor furniture and even automobiles. You can also use the included wallpaper steam plate to easily strip away old outdated wallpaper without using harsh chemicals. This steamer is easy to use for homeowners and is a great tool to have for homes with pets and kids. Number 2 we have BISSELL Carpet Cleaner. BISSELL Spot Clean Pro Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner combines powerful suction brushing action and cleaning solution for superior cleaning results, removing stubborn dirt and tough pet stains. It is designed to easily clean carpet, upholstery, stairs, area rugs and more. The large capacity 3/4 gallon tank allows you to clean more area without emptying and filling the tank. For versatile cleaning, BISSELL Spot Clean Pro Pet comes with pet tools including a stain trapper tool and a tough stain tool. It is equipped with a long hose and 22 feet. The power cord to make it easy to clean hard to reach areas such rugs, stairs and upholstery. At number 1 we have Rug Carpet Cleaner. The Pro Deep Professional Carpet Cleaner machine combines pro-grade power with a user-friendly design and can extract 90% or more of embedded dirt from your carpet. An attachable motorized upholstery tool can add versatility to your cleaning. You can easily lift and remove the water tanks when it's time to empty or fill the machine. The digital indicator lights alert the user when cleaning solution is empty or if there is a brush roll jam. It features 2 large capacity 1.5 gallon tanks and built-in measuring cup. Also easily lift and remove the tanks when it's time to empty or fill the machine. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best carpet cleaners for your need.